Dublin and Kerry first two up, Jim, so no better way to keep the focus sharp then.
No, definitely, and you can add in the rest of them after that. You know, all the games are probably the same level, but definitely the Dublin game's a big one in the context of, you know, the new manager going in, a home game for them and all that. There, I would imagine there'll be a lot of excitement, a new tenure coming in, and you know, all of the energy that'll bring. So yeah. From our point of view, it's great. Like, it's great to get back to Croke Park. It's always lovely to play in Croke Park and get a good surface and hopefully get a good run out.
Does it take a while to get last year's All-Ireland final disappointment out of your system, or was it ever in your system?
How long have you got?
All the time in the world.
No, listen, it's not an easy one to lose, that's for sure. You know, and there's a lot of soul searching that goes on. But that's the great thing about football. You know, there's always another season coming down the track as well, and once you kind of make peace with a couple of things, you have to dust yourself down and you've got to go again, you know. And to be fair to the younger lads, you know, they've brought a lot of energy and a lot of freshness to the thing, it's a different dynamic with them, you know. There's not the same situations at play. You know, a lot of the senior players are kind of looking out for them and kind of talking them through stuff and everything. So it adds a wee bit of freshness